Hey, welcome back to another Netcast. I'm Rich Lopez, Quantrix Authority. Sincerely appreciate you joining me again for another episode today. And episode number 34, I'm going to talk about how numbers are coming in as text. But can you change the source data type? So, in my example here that I talked about in episode number 33, is I had a test data source. And my values in here were actually text. And I know that because I can see the tick, as well as again the left alignment kind of gives it away. And I had another model where I was going out and I was connecting via data link, one coming in as a 2D data matrix. You can see that it's coming in as text. Another model, same data source, coming in, or another matrix, same data source, coming in again as text. And what I did is I went ahead and I used value use, create another column, did the value of the value raw, and I was able to convert this text string, or this text value, if you will, into a value. Well, today what I want to do is I want to show you how I would actually go also back to the source data, if it is possible, and it is in a Quantrix model, and actually make this a number so that when I refresh it, it comes in as a number. And how you would do this, again, I'd use the same methodology I really used in episode number 33. I'd go ahead and I'd just put value use here, and I would say equals value of this guy, units. Okay, and then what I would do is I'd go ahead and I would copy these and I would paste them here. Go ahead and delete this. Go ahead and clean this up. I'd go ahead and save the source if this is all possible. And then once I go into here and on my 2D data matrix, I go ahead and I refresh it, and you can see it's now right aligned, and if I were to perform a sum on it, it would come over as summing. So I can go ahead and get rid of what I did in the previous episode with that workaround formula. Also, if I go into category, I'll get rid of value use and that formula there. You can see I'm not getting anything, but once I go ahead and I refresh it, it's coming in because it's now being listed as a number in the data source. So if you have any questions about how to use data that's coming in as text strings, again, this episode as well as episode 32 should be of great benefit and great help to you. And if you have any other questions about Quantrix Modeler, feel free to reach out to me at quantrixauthority@gmail.com. I want to make you a Quantrix master because I absolutely love Quantrix, and I believe it is essential, and I want you to enjoy it as much as I enjoy it. So please join me again for another episode of Quantrix Authority with Rich Lopez.